This is Abrar. Welcome to Abrar Knowledge Channel. Firstly, I would like to thank Rohit from Pune who shared me this material. I thought to myself it's a fantastic idea to convert this in audio form. So thank you so much, Rohit. Today's lesson is all about some fancy words. We picked up 30 words which you might have heard or read in newspaper or you might have come across in cinemas. Very briefly, we will touch and go on correct sentences. It's going to be very interesting. Please stay tuned. The first word is eminent, standing above others in quality or position. This work has a vast circulation and is respected by eminent men. So the synonym says distinguished, esteemed, renewed. Antonyms is ordinary, insignificant, accord. The next word is inevitable, incapable of being avoided or incapable of being prevented. There will be there will be inevitable consequences which mold the future. So the direct literal meanings are unavoidable, bound to happen. The opposite are uncertain, avoidable, preventable. Divisive, tending to cause a disagreement or hostility between people. Today's youth believes that unemployment is socially divisive. Direct meanings are isolating, alienating. The opposite are friendship, harmony, accord. The next word is destitute, power enough to need help from others. State Board of Children Guardians with an office in Jersey City cares for destitute children. So the direct literal meanings are penniless, poverty stricken, impoverished. The opposite is rich, well off, decrement. Well off is also like a phrase word which is commonly and widely used in America. Well off means rich. Articulate, express or state clearly. Ravi Shastri articulated nicely during the end of cricket session of or about SWOT analysis. SWOT means strength, weakness, opportunity, threat. Somebody articulate or conveys the message clearly, coherently, we can say articulate. Fluent or communicative. So the opposite is misrepresented, unclear. Proliferation. Proliferation is pro is one syllable and proliferations, a rapid increase in number. Criminalize the act of people who seek to assist the other in proliferations, meaning expansion, reproduction, generation. It also means the opposite are decline, devolutions, decrement. Pivotal, being a crucial important. Melissa has played a pivotal role in our digital strategy. Meanings are essential, critical. The opposite are minor, trivial, very small. Prolific is intellectually productive. He was prolific writer and enjoyed a very high reputation. Meaning yielding, the opposite is unproductive. The next word is fickle. Fickle is something changing frequently, especially in regards to one loyalties, interests, or affection. Unstable, unpredictable. The opposite are constant, stable. Vandalize. Vandalize meaning deliberately destroyed or damaged, whether it's a public or private property. Shatter, smash. The opposite is preserve or save. So the 11th word we have bifurcate is commonly used. You might have heard this one. Divide into two branches. Bi meaning like two. Just below Caro, the river bifurcates. Separation or divergence. Join or combine. Adamant, refusing to be persuaded or to change one's mind. Jan is adamant that he will not perform in public. The literal meanings are stubborn, determined. The opposite are willing, flexible. Raffle. Raffle, this word is not widely used, but this is connected to lottery. A lottery in which the prize is won by one of numerous person buying chances. Mr. Goat commented, I have only ever won a bottle of wine in a raffle, so I'm utterly amazed. So the direct meanings are lottery, ballot, treasure, playable. Playable, here the sound is like a Y. Playable, flexible, adaptable. Quality leather is a playable, will not crack. Then the synonyms are easily bend, elastic. The antonyms is rigid. Is this person is very rigid, meaning like he's not changing of anything. You can say the word rigid. Sabotage. Here the word TAGE, the word sounds like Z. Deliberately destroyed stick. They sabotage enemies oil fields. Wreck, vandalize. The opposite, protect, preserve. However, here the word R is very small. Very falling tone you need to give. Like having showing a very abnormal or sick state of mind. Volcano eruption gone haywire in a few minutes. Er- Erratic, out of control. So opposite is balance or uncrazy. Petrified is also connected to frightened, afraid, that one is unable to move or terrified. So Ram challenged to petrify the audience by his horror movie. Horrified, because the opposite brace, energized. Impromptu, done without being planned or rehearsed. On the evening of Friday, the closing day, Robel gave impromptu dance. Unscripted, exemplary, ad hoc. Ad hoc task or something, very, very ad hoc, unplanned. Deliberate, prepared. Precarious is uncertain dependence on chance. Investing in stock market without any prior knowledge is precarious move. That means insecure, risky one, definite or the opposite are definite, certain, stable. Impudent, not showing due respect for one another. Talking loud and aggressive in front of senior is impudent behavior. Shameless, impertinent, audacious. The opposite is polite, respectful. Despicable, deserving hatred for what the Nazi did to the Jews in the World War II is despicable, hateful, heinous. The opposite are honorable, kind. Skeptical is also a commonly used word. Skeptical, not easily convinced or having doubt. He looked skeptical but didn't interrupt, so I continued. Doubtful or undecided. Convinced or clear is the opposite form of that skeptical word. Pious. This word is been so dedicated to religious term due to the pious nature. Many regarded him as a saint, or due to pious is something which is connected to religious one. The righteous, saintly, impious, irreligious. Hegemony is leadership is the dominance by one country or social group over others. Germany hegemony is Europe is uncontested. Supremacy, predominance, and the opposite are powerlessness, stubbornness, subordinations, impotency. Absurd, widely unreasonable, illogical. Hunters conserving the forest wild animal is absurd idea. Bizarre, crazy, the opposite are realistic, reasonable. Palatable is my favorite word because it is connected to food. Pleasant to taste, acceptable. Indian festival dishes are palatable. I may say like, really palatable to have. So synonyms: tasty, satisfactory. The opposite is unsatisfactory, disagreeable. Voracious, excessively eager, keen, having a huge appetite. Neelam is voracious reader. That means she reads a lot. Uncontrollable, enthusiastic, eager, keen. The opposite is incurious, unwilling. Abundant, existing, are available in large quantities, are plenty. Manages abundance of electronic gadgets. Plentiful, ample. The opposite is lack, scarcity. Obscure, not discovered, are known about, uncertain. Its origin and parentage are obscure. Vague, doubtful, mysterious. The opposite are known, exposed, open. Prudent, acting, showing care, thought for future. She agreed it had prudent to warn her. Are wise, are sensible, are little meanings. The opposite are incautious, imprudent, unwise. Equivocal, equivocal, open to more than one interpretation, are uncertain. The result of the police inquiry were equivocal, questionable, doubt, vague, something opposite are obvious, clear. Reprimand, revoke, scolding. Officials were reprimanded for poor work. Criticism, admonish. The opposite is honor, tribute. So we have one brief slide on sentence correction. In a phrase, no sooner is always followed by then to show that two events happen one after another. No sooner did the rabbit come out of the bush when the hunter killed it. It's the incorrect sentence. No sooner did the rabbit come out of the bush than the hunter killed it. And the adverb kindly and please, we should not use it together. We should either use kindly or please. For example, if you say, please kindly help me in my work, I request you honestly, eagerly, and all that. So the correct way of saying is kindly help me in my work. So, and also one common mistake everyone does is I cannot able to catch hold of you, or I cannot able to talk to you. So cannot and able, we should not use it together. You can say I can itself denotes the capability, so we should not use both words together. The last and final slide is this is very interesting. C sound sometimes comes as a C form, sometimes as a K form. I'll tell you the reasons, the major reasons. When you have a word, the second letter I, E, Y, the pronouns C remain to be C. Any other consonant or any other letters, it becomes K. For example, if you have cinema, here the word sounding as a C, center, because the second letter is E, it is sounding as a C. Cycle, again second letter is Y, it's sounding as a C. And if you say cat, here we say K sound because it doesn't have IEY, so it is cat, K sound. Chemistry, the second letter is H, so it sounds as K. So thank you so much. I hope that this is very useful for Onanal. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Have a nice day ahead.